Question 2 of paper 2. Again, lots of information here. It's one of these roots of equations questions, although it is asking you for the turning point. So the first thing you're looking at is actually I just need to differentiate it. Nice first year part of differentiation is that we need to differentiate this here. So we've got 12x cubed plus 4x minus 12. And at the turning point, we want f dash of x to equal 0. So I've got 0 equals this. And now we've got to rearrange it to get this. So we can see that cube root there. So let's just drag that over that side. Then we'll divide by 12. So divided by 12, 12 divided by 12 is 1. 4 divided by 12 is a third. And then we can cube root. And I've shown lots of lines working because it's to show that. This final line here is exactly what they've written there, and that's what is required. Now we've got to throw some numbers into it. We've been told that the first number, x1, is going to be 1, and we'll put that in there and figure out what that gives. So let's get the calculator out. So here's the calculator. We're putting 1 in first of all, because it told us the first answer was 1. And now what we're doing is we're doing the cube root of 1 minus, oops, the answer over 3. So the first x2 is going to be 0.87358 blah blah blah. Check on our rounding. We want it to 4 decimal places, so that's 0.8736. Being careful with the rounding there at 4 decimal places. That's number 2. Number 3 is that one there. That's number 5, isn't it? So that's 3. I would write that down. Here's 4, and here's 5. And look, I'm only writing down this last one to save time, but I would have written all of them down. Again, I write a little bit more there, and then I round it. So I've got 8894 as the x5. On we go. Part C is saying, well, we've finished with that now then. Let's check that the answer is actually 0.889 to 3 decimal places. And here you're thinking back to your old GCSE work that 0.889 is actually something between 0.8895 and 0.8885. That's the rounding we're looking for. And we're going to put that into the one that equals 0. So it's all the way back there. We're putting that into there. So what am I doing? I'm doing f dashed of 0.8885, and that makes, that one's negative. Need some more room. And then I'm going to do the 0.8895, it's the other one, and we'll tap that into the calculator, and it's a really tiny number, but it is positive. And so then we're going to say change of sign. The other thing we must write is and continuous. And continuous. Therefore, we could do a few more things. Therefore, it's between those two things. And therefore, alpha equals 0.889 to 3 decimal places. Usual stuff at the end of that.